Symptoms of a clogged oil filter. Welcome back, automotive enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into a critical aspect of engine maintenance that often flies under the radar: the symptoms of a clogged oil filter. You see, a clogged oil filter can spell trouble for your engine's health. We all know the importance of regular oil changes, but what about the unsung hero, the oil filter? It plays a vital role in keeping your engine running smoothly. So, stick around as we uncover the common symptoms you need to be on the lookout for, ensuring your engine stays in top-notch condition. Let's get started. 1. Low oil pressure. Can low pressure be caused by a clogged oil filter? Definitely. One of the telltale indicators of a blocked oil filter is low pressure. A clogged oil filter will invariably result in a drop in oil pressure as your engine tries to uniformly lubricate and cool all the engine's components, in contrast to a damaged relief pressure valve, which is likely to be responsible for a surge. 2. Poor performance. Oil filter clogging is one of several potential causes of poor performance. When you press down on the accelerator, nothing seems to happen. Because of the lag, your engine won't accelerate as quickly as it usually does. 3. Sputtering engine. A sputtering engine is a noise no driver wants to hear, but it can also be a sign of an obstructed oil filter. Sputtering should be investigated, even if it's just slight, to see if an oil filter problem is to blame or if there's a more significant cause. 4. Metallic noise. Your engine's components won't be properly lubricated if it doesn't receive enough oil. The moving pieces produce metallic sounds as a result. If you hear what sounds like grinding, stop immediately away, turn off the engine, and phone your roadside assistance company to arrange for a tow to the nearest car repair shop. 5. Overheating. Can stalling be caused by a clogged oil filter? Without a doubt. Not only that, there will also be overheating. You can have issues starting your car because a blocked oil filter can affect the hydraulic valves or the camshaft timing. This issue might make your automobile overheat and stall, since it also hinders the flow of fuel to the engine. 6. Engine oil looks excessively dark. When you check the condition and level of your engine oil once a month, it should be brown and feel smooth to the touch. If it looks black, feels gritty, or is abnormally thick or sludgy, there are pollutants in the oil that aren't being effectively filtered out. Oil should be replaced together with the oil filter replacement. Before we uncover more of the common symptoms, make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. By doing so, you'll stay up to date with all our automotive advice and never miss a beat when it comes to maintaining your vehicle. Let's keep the knowledge flowing. 7. Dirty exhaust. Finally, the exhaust from your car can be impacted by an obstructed oil filter. Except for perhaps a small amount of white smoke during cold weather, you shouldn't see any smoke coming from your tailpipe at all. Your car might be burning fuel or oil if you notice brown or black smoke coming from the pipe. You might be able to tell right away that an oil filter clog is the root of the exhaust because of how strongly burnt oil smells. 8. Crackling noises. If you hear metallic crackling noises, this could indicate that your oil filter is clogged and your engine's parts aren't getting enough lubrication. You must quickly replace the oil filter to prevent engine components from experiencing harmful friction. 9. The check engine light is on. Poor oil flow is indicated by a check engine light that is illuminated with a diagnostic fault code that reads, engine oil pressure too low, P0524, or something similar. The usual causes are low oil levels or a defective oil pump. However, an obstructed oil filter is also a possibility. 10. Reduced fuel economy. Unfortunately, your engine will use more gasoline or diesel when it is sputtering and struggling to operate. You must have the factory scheduled maintenance completed in order to keep the engine operating at its peak level and receive the fuel mileage that the vehicle's manufacturer guarantees. The engine performance issues brought on by the blocked oil filter will reduce fuel efficiency. 11. Excess hydrocarbons. Furthermore, engine dirt in the motor oil will result in an increase in the hydrocarbons present in your car's exhaust. As a result, an oil filter blockage can cause your car to fail an emissions test. How much does clogged oil filter replacement cost? One of the least expensive components in your car is the oil filter, which costs between $10 and $20. It only makes sense to include routine oil filter replacement in your maintenance schedule given how inexpensive they are. It's easy enough to replace an oil filter at home while having your oil changed. But if you need to have your oil and filters changed professionally, Expect to pay between $30 and $75 for a traditional oil change and between $60 and $125 for a synthetic oil change. There you have it, folks, the key symptoms of a clogged oil filter. Knowing these signs can help you prevent major engine problems down the road. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in our next video. Drive safe.